What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. Hey, in today's video we are showing off the new wireless stability control bypass harness that just came out at the beginning of this month, and I wanted to show you guys what it can do, how easy it is to install, nothing like the old harness, and then also the cool capabilities that it has, not only just turning the system off but momentarily turning the system off also. So I will show you guys that in today's video. If you guys aren't aware yet, I have been making stability control bypass harnesses for the Rams 2019 Silverados for over 5 years now. Sold well over 3,000 of them, and they have worked flawless. We've had a couple returns due to installation errors or things like that I am happy to provide new harnesses for. Customer service is a top priority in the Gotti's Garage business. So the old harness utilizes this little switch that you have to run a 10-foot wiring harness through the whole truck. Here you can see some of it. This is the early design. It's much better now. But basically that 10-foot wire runs through the firewall right under there all the way up to the fuse box, where then you have a fused harness, which I'll throw up a picture right now of the old harness. This is the new harness. As you can see, you only have 2 wires, one for power, one for ground. Very easy hookup, and we can actually install this in under 2 minutes. So for the first part, most important part, is to figure out what harness that you actually need. There are 2 different kind of harnesses. There's an M case and there's a J case. On the website www.gottisgarage1.com, you guys will see a page that says what harness do I need, and on that page you'll have every single Ram anywhere from 09 all the way to 2025, and it will show you if you need a J case or an M case. That applies for both harnesses, so the old style and this new wireless one. So the first thing you would look at on the website, on that page, is what corresponding fuse that your harness uses. So on most of the Rams, they're F26 right here, which is an M case fuse. You plug in the power side of the harness. Now I'll mark each side with a red, and that one actually has to face the front of the vehicle. This harness is specific on which way you plug the prongs into, and if you have it in the wrong one, this box will actually vibrate and make some weird sounds. It will not hurt it, just it won't work properly. Just unplug it and switch it around. So the first step, plug it in, just like that. Then you can run the harness this way through this little opening right here, which will allow you to shut the fuse box. Now you can roll it around on the side like that. Now this ground with the ring terminal right here actually goes to this ground wire right here. So it's a 10mm bolt that goes onto the side of the vehicle. There's a fuse box, and there's that little 10mm ground. So you can use a wrench, ratchet, pair of pliers, whatever you have to use. Very simple. You just break it free, take the bolt off. We'll see if I can do this with one hand and holding the camera at the same time. There we go. Now on the bottom of the box, you have a 3M strip right here. Just make sure you clean this lid off. Now you guys are probably wondering, how do I use the harness? Well, that's pretty simple also. We have a 2-button remote key fob for the harness. And I'll show you exactly how it works right now. So first things first, we have to start the vehicle. You can even just not start it and just key on. Let it cycle through all its things. So the only thing you need to do after you install everything is to check the system by hitting the on button. As you can tell, stability control, traction light, and everything turned on. Then you just go ahead and hit the button again, and everything goes back to factory like such. One really cool feature is that it has the momentary switch right here. Alright, so the off button is the momentary switch, and you just hold it and your system turns off. See how it's lit up, let go, turns on. So you can just hold the off button and it will turn the system off as long as you're holding it, and as soon as you let go, it goes back to normal. And I really like this because, say I'm driving down the road and you see this little corner that's just full of ice, and you're like, hey, I'm gonna drift this thing. All you gotta do is just grab your little key fob, hold that button, drift it, let it go, back to normal. All right guys, now that we showed you the very quick install, and it is freezing out, and I was able to install that in probably less than 2 minutes. Granted, I've done it a couple times now for R&D. Very easy compared to the old harness. So now that it is installed, let's go ahead and try to find a place where we can go ahead and use it. And I'll show you some examples of the momentary switch and some examples of some parking lot fun, if we could find something. All right, I'm not sure how I'm gonna show you the momentary switch while holding a camera and trying to drive and kind of slide this thing at the same time. So we're gonna try it all up top of the steering wheel like this, and hopefully we can get it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the button. Let go of the button, and the system is off. All right, we'll try another momentary right here. It looks like it's pretty slushy. Off. Well, here's a little spot, so I'm gonna see if I can't set you guys up over here, and we'll do a quick donut real quick. And then we'll be using the top button, which is all time off. We'll go back to this corner over here and I'll show you what stability control does. All right, so here's this little corner, and this is what it will do. See it flashing on the dash? It's trying to straighten it the whole time. It's just not as fun. You can't really get that much angle, and the fuel light turns on. So let me turn the system completely off. Let's kind of go by these people. And just do cool little fun drifts. All right, and then once again, when we park, I just hook it back onto the keychain so that way it's in the house nice and warm and it's just not getting cold so the battery can die. Because that's kind of downfall of little batteries. All right, so let's do a recap on the stability control bypass harness. Yes, I know that you can turn traction control off and spin your tires, but every single Ram in two-wheel drive has stability control that will try to straighten the truck up. Four-wheel drive, you can have stability control turned off under 30 miles an hour wheel speed, but if you're doing donuts, you're spinning the tires, anything like that in four-wheel drive, kicks right back on, and that's not much fun. Now, four-wheel drive low, you can turn stability control off full time, but it's four-wheel drive low and you're not going very fast anyways. So this harness allows you to completely turn off all driving assist so you can be the real race car driver you want to be. All right, let's talk about the warranty. There is a 1-year no-hassle warranty as long as this hasn't been opened. We have these void stickers right here that will be on both sides of the harness. This is my harness, so it's a test harness for demonstration purposes only, so it doesn't have it on this. Well, it did, but it shows void. So there'll be 2 of these stickers on there. If you open up this box, it will tear this sticker, and then I will know that you've tampered with the inside of this, and that is not warranted. You won't get it warranted, okay? Now, if anything breaks or if it just doesn't work, which every harness is tested in-house before it's even shipped out, there will be a warranty on this. And I will send you a shipping label free of charge. You send it back to me, I either fix it or send you a brand new one. That's simple. So I think I covered everything. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or ideas, go ahead down in the comments below. I'll get right back to you. So all right, guys, go ahead and support the business by going to www.gottisgarage1.com and picking up one of these brand new harnesses that will change your life. Make sure you stay different. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.